if you could kindly just tell us your expectations from the iconic Africa Summit, and also what do you think, how do you think the summit can foster partnerships and collaborations for a positive change in the African continent?
Thank you very much. My name is Mleya Jameson, and I'm the current United Nations Youth Delegate for Zambia, also Youth Ambassador, representing the young people across the globe. So one of the expectations that we expect as young people of Africa is that we need to start using our natural resources to build our own industries. Just like my president, President HH had mentioned in South Africa, the time for aid is over. This is the time where we need now as Africans to unite and build our own nations, using our own resources. So I want also to thank the Zimbabwean government for facilitating this conference that is building young people and leaders across the continent, bringing us together, learning from one another. And I also want to thank the Zimbabwean government on the tremendous trajectory that they have taken by approving President Idi Mnangagwa through the cabinet. So that is a very positive trajectory, because we need continuity as Africans. We need to continue bringing development. Leaders that are bringing development are leaders that we must be able to allow to continue. Vision 2030 is a very vision. Thank you, President Idi, and thank you, President Hakainde Hichilema, for the tremendous efforts that you are making between the two countries. Thank you very much. Sure.
Thank you.